Hello my dear friends, I am Aishwarya and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make this beautiful hair accessory, which is the beautiful hair brooch I have made using golden beads in small size as well as big size. So I hope that you will enjoy the tutorial. And this hair brooch is in golden color, so we can use that on any outfit of any wedding or any festivals, because golden color is common in almost all festive or ethnic outfits. So do try this beautiful hair brush at home and let me know if you enjoyed this tutorial or not. If you found this video useful, do hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it. It really motivates me a lot. And yes, one thing I have to share with you all, that you guys are showing lots of love to my channel and you are loving my channel a lot, and this really motivates me and inspired me a lot to bring such amazing content on this platform. So do show the same kind of love and support in the future too. Thank you so much, and now let's get started. So the material required is small golden beads, 5 pearl beads, 30 gauge wire, this 30 gauge wire, this wire to wrap the brooch, cutter and pliers. So first of all we'll make a stigma. So we have to make a stigma in any manner. So I'll cut this in little bit. We don't want this much big. And we have to make various patterns. So I'll first insert 3 beads. Bring it here, and then we'll wrap here to form a triangular pattern like this, and we'll go on wrapping up to certain limit. Now I'll keep this one free and we'll insert 5 beads from this. This is a freestyle brooch, so the design is all up to you, that how you have to make this brooch. And I'm not going to take it here in the end, but rather I will wrap them here to form a circular flower, and we'll go on wrapping till this end. Now I'm going to add 3 beads. So as this is a freestyle brooch, it's all up to you that how you have to go for the design. It's all up to you. Then I'm going to add this 5 golden bead in this. Also you can choose your length, how much big or how much small you want. Again I'm going to add 3 beads. You can also make more of 5 circular beads, or you can add more 5 golden beads, which are this bigger one. It's all up to you. So with this our main one pattern is ready. Likewise we have to make so many other patterns. So we need to make a whole one brooch. We need 15 to 16 patterns like this. So I have already made few, and if you can observe, I haven't keep a design in same way, but rather for each and every brooch the design is different. In some I have two big golden beads, and in some I have one golden bead. So likewise you have to make a stigma like this. Now you will just simply attach them, wrap them together. So I have taken this wire, and what we'll do is we will find its middle by wrapping this, by attaching this end. We will find its middle here, and we'll wrap it here and make a circle here so that this circle will be used as a instrument to insert a pin, which will be helpful to insert in a here. Okay, so now anyhow you have to wrap this once. So I have taken and just go on wrapping. Then take the other one. So likewise we have to complete this for all 15 to 16 patterns. So I'll quickly do that. And there are lots of videos of beaded jewelry on my channel, so do visit my channel and watch these videos and learn to make this beautiful jewelry. Okay, so I have wrapped the last pearl and last stigma, and you can see it is looking so beautiful. Now I'll just wrap this wire and we'll make one loop here so that this brooch can be easily inserted in the hair. Now we'll cut this one. Okay, so with this our beautiful brooch is ready. Our beautiful hair accessory is ready. Isn't it very beautiful and gorgeous hair accessory? So do make this hair accessory and let me know how do you like my video through likes and comments. If you like this tutorial, do give the thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for further notification. See you soon in the next video. Till then, this is Aishwarya signing off.